The power and perils of nuclear fission. Imagine splitting an atom, an act so small it seems like magic, and unleashing enough energy to power an entire city. This isn't science fiction, it's nuclear fission, the process that reshaped our world in both awe-inspiring and terrifying ways. At its heart, nuclear fission is about breaking apart one of the universe's tiniest building blocks, the atom. Picture a uranium-235 nucleus, a dense cluster of protons and neutrons. If a neutron collides with it at just the right speed, the nucleus becomes unstable and splits. What follows is nothing short of extraordinary. Two smaller nuclei fly apart, a few neutrons are released, and an immense amount of energy, millions of times greater than a chemical reaction, is unleashed. But where does that energy come from? Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. The mass of the original uranium nucleus is slightly greater than the combined mass of its fragments. That missing mass is converted into pure energy. When this happens on a large scale, think trillions of atoms splitting in a chain reaction, you get the power that fuels nuclear reactors and, in extreme cases, nuclear weapons. Let's talk about chain reactions. When those extra neutrons from a single fission strike other uranium nuclei, they cause more splits, releasing even more neutrons and energy. In a nuclear reactor, this process is carefully controlled using materials like boron or cadmium to absorb excess neutrons. The heat generated boils water, produces steam, and drives turbines to generate electricity. It's clean, efficient, and incredibly powerful. But controlling nuclear fission wasn't easy to figure out. It was only in 1938 that physicists Lisa Meitner and Otto Hahn first understood the phenomenon. Their discovery sparked a scientific revolution and a race. By the 1940s, the Manhattan Project was harnessing fission for a more destructive purpose, creating the atomic bombs that ended World War II and forever changed geopolitics. Nuclear fission reminds us of humanity's duality, the power to create and the power to destroy. It's a stark reminder of how much responsibility comes with wielding the forces of the universe. What do you think? Could nuclear fission hold the key to solving our energy crisis, or are its risks too great? Like and follow to keep exploring the science that shapes our world